Solana value equivalent to $163.81 a coin. The present exchange cost range, $162.25 to $168.36. The earlier day close, $168.33. The change was 452, 269%. Converse rate, US to Sol. Dollar to Solana gauge for August 2024. In the first place, cost at 1970 coins. Exorbitant costs weight 70, while lows on 704. They found the middle value of cost 0.799. The US to Sol gauge toward the month's end 0.752. Change for August 13.6%. US to Sol expectation for September 2024. Before all else cost at 0.752 coins. Excessive cost 0.752, while lows at 606. They arrived at the midpoint of cost 690. The US to Sol conjecture toward the month's end since 1649. Change for September 13.7%. Dollar to Solana conjecture for October 2024. To start with, cost at 0.649 coins. Exorbitant cost 0.690, while lows are 599. They found the middle value of cost 0.645. The US to Sol estimate toward the month's ends at 641. Change for October 12%. US to Sol expectation for November 2024. To start with, cost at 0.641 coins. Exorbitant cost 0.641, while lows in 5 and 15. They found the middle value of costs of 5.87. The US to Sol estimate toward the month's ends of 5.52. Change for November 13.9%. Dollar to Solana estimate for December 2024. First and foremost, cost at 552 coins. Exorbitant cost on 552, while lows in 444. They found the middle value of costs of 506. US to Sol estimate toward the month's end Z4 is 76. Change for December 13.8%. US to Sol expectation for January 2025. First and foremost, cost at 76 coins. Exorbitant cost to 476, while lows in 383. They found the middle value of cost to 4036. The US to Sol estimate toward the month's ends of 4010. Change for January 13.9%. Dollar to Solana gauge for February 2025. In the first place, cost at zone 4 and 10 coins. Exorbitant cost to 410, while lows on 3 to 55. They found the middle value of costs 389. The US to Sol gauge toward the month's ends of 79. Change for February 7.6%. US to Sol expectation for Walk 2025. In the first place, cost at Z3 79 coins. Excessive costs of 391, while lows in 340. They arrived at the midpoint of costs at 69. The US to Sol figure toward the month's ends at 64. Change for spring 40%. Dollar to Solana figure for April 2025. Before all else cost at 64 coins. Excessive costs at 64, while lows on 293. They arrived at the midpoint of costs at 34. The US to Sol figure toward the month's ends 3 of 13, change for April 14%. US to Sol expectation for May 2025. To start with, cost at 3 to 13 coins. Excessive costs at 29, while lows are 286. They arrived at the midpoint of costs at 309. The US to Sol figure toward the month's ends 306, change for May 2%. Dollar to Solana figure for June 2025. Initially cost at zone 306 coins. Excessive costs for 22, while lows on 280. They arrived at the midpoint of costs at 302. The US to Sol figure toward the month's ends on 299, change for June 3%. US to Sol expectation for July 2025. In the first place, cost at zone 299 coins. Exorbitant cost for 300, while lows on 261. They found the middle value of costs on 285. The US to Sol gauge toward the month's ends on 279, change for July 7%. Dollar to Solana gauge for August 2025. In the first place, cost at zone 279 coins. Excessive costs on 299, while lows on 260. They arrived at the midpoint of cost on 279. The US to Sol conjecture toward the month's ends on 278, change for August 0.4%. US to Sol expectation for September 2025. Before all else cost at 278 coins. Excessive costs on 292, while lows on 254. They arrived at the midpoint of costs onto its 74. The US to Sol conjecture toward the month's ends onto its 72. Change for September 2%. Dollar to Solana conjecture for October 2025. To start with, cost at onto 72 coins. Exorbitant costs onto 72, while lows onto 19. They found the middle value of costs onto 49. The US to Sol estimate toward the month's ends onto 34. Change for October 14%. US to Sol expectation for November 2025. To start with, cost at 234 coins. Exorbitant costs onto 99, while lows into 34. They found the middle value of cost point to 62. The US to Sol estimate toward the month's ends into 79. Change for November 19.2%. Dollar to Solana estimate for December 2025. First and foremost, cost at 279 coins. Exorbitant costs on 3 to 56, while lows on 279. They found the middle value of costs for 311. The US to Sol estimate toward the month's end pre 31. Change for December 18.6%. US to Sol expectation for January 2026. First and foremost, cost at zone 331 coins. Exorbitant costs pre at 64, while lows on 315. They found the middle value of costs of 37. The US to Sol estimate toward the month's end pre 38. Change for January 1%. Dollar to Solana gauge for February 2026. In the first place, cost at Santhia at 38 coins. Exorbitant costs at 44, while lows on 299. They found the middle value of costs at 325. The US to Sol gauge toward the month's ends and his 19. Change for February 6%. US to Sol expectation for Walk 2026. To start with, cost at zone 319 coins. Excessive costs on 408, while lows on 319. They arrived at the midpoint of cost 3 to 57. The US to Sol figure toward the month's ends at 80. Change for spring 19.1%. Dollar to Solana figure for April 2026. Initially cost at 80 coins. Excessive costs 3 at 80, while lows on 3 at 7. They arrived at the midpoint of costs 0.49. The US to Sol figure toward the month's ends at 0.28. Change for April 13.7%. US to Sol expectation for May 2026. First and foremost, cost at 28 coins. Exorbitant costs of 420, while lows 0.28. They found the middle value of costs of 50.67. The US to Sol gauge toward the month's ends 91. Change for May 19.2%. Dollar to Solana conjecture for June 2026. At the outset, cost at 391 coins. Excessive cost 500, while lows in 391. They arrived at the midpoint of cost of 4 to 37. The US to Sol conjecture toward the month's ends of 4 at 65. Change for June 18.9.